Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we will be dealing with the important trigonometric relation. If you are watching this video, you will get to know the whole collection of formulas that is important towards your inverse trigonometry problem of second PUC. We will also be giving some important trigonometric relation with the help of these relations. If you take down this into your note or a reference book, you will surely find a great help while solving your exercise problems. Now, without wasting our time, this is going to be the part 1 of the important relations. Why? Because the part 2 contains the important formulas which are used in competitive exams as well. If you are interested, you can also watch that. The link will be provided in the description. Okay, now the first formula, sin 2a. Here a is the given angle. You can also take the angle as theta. Sin 2 theta is going to be 2 sin a or cos a. That in terms of theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now this is half angle formula where you will be given only theta. Instead of 2 theta, you will be given only theta or only a. Assume any angle, x, a, theta or anything else. What should you do this? 2 sin what is the given theta divided by 2 into cos given theta divided by 2. This is the one of the important half angle trigonometric formula. Now going to the second one, cos 2a. Cos 2a or cos 2 theta can also be written as cos square a minus sin square a, or else cos square theta minus cos sin square theta, which is also equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 2 cos square a minus 1. If you are familiar with theta, take the same notation to your reference book, or if you are familiar with anything else like x, a. I am familiar with a, so I have taken that. Okay, now that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Always remember cos 2a as all three these equations or all three these relations. You should take each relation according to the problem. If you practice more problems, you will get to know where to use which equation. Now, coming back to the third equation, tan 2 theta or tan 2a is equal to 2 tan theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta or 1 minus tan square a. Now, these three are from trigonometry that will be helpful for you in terms of inverse trigonometry also. Now, in inverse trigonometry, there is also a concept of sin inverse of negative angle, sin inverse of minus x or minus a. That's going to give you a negative of sin inverse of that angle. Please keep in mind that sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Similarly, for tan of minus x and cosecant of minus x, that's going to be minus tan inverse of minus tan inverse of x and minus cosecant inverse of x. Now, for sine, tan and cosecant, we have minus cosecant inverse of minus the function inverse of the given angle. But for cos inverse, secant inverse and cot inverse, we should write in the form where 180 degree, that's pi minus cos inverse of the given angle. In secant inverse of minus x, pi minus secant inverse of x. Cot inverse of minus x can be written as pi minus cot inverse of x. This will help you a lot while solving the problem. You should not have any confusion. Now going further, you know sin square x plus cos square is equal to 1. Similarly, in inverse trigonometry, we have sin square x plus cos square. Sorry for the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Also, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now, we also have tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy. And also tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y whole divided by 1 plus xy. This is the range. Range is not that important, but you have to remember this given equation or relation. Now, finally, This is all this is given in your textbook, or you have learnt in your first PUC. But the important thing is you should not confuse between two numbers or two equations or two formulas. Always you should be specific, or you should be particular that this tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is only this. You should not confuse this with any other formula. So that what I recommend is, please practice all this equation. Just write all this equation in somewhere a sheet or a reference book, so that you will have a good grip with the concept. Moving with the final formulas, 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Please remember here, 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus, please remember plus here, 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x in terms of sine inverse is 1 plus x square, but the same thing, tan inverse of x in terms of tan inverse will give you 2x whole divided by 1 minus x square. Here you should never miss with this sign. If you miss with that sign, you will go wrong with all through the problem. That's going to be a very dangerous thing. Now 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. This is quite rememberable, but this and this are quite different. Why? Because you need to have a good confidence with the sign. Okay, now moving forward, sin inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse of x, and also cos inverse of 1 by x is equal to secant inverse of x. Also tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x. Okay, after completing all our relations, I am going to tell now where most of us like me and also you people will confuse. Actually, the most confusion will be in here. You should also always see that the given angle is in terms of 2 into theta or only theta. If the given thing is only theta, then you should go with this formula, or else you should go with this formula. And the second thing is, here you should notify that only 3 functions should have this kind of answers. Instead of, if they have given cos inverse, if you write something like this, you will lose marks. And also there are 3 relations with respect to cos 2a. You should remember all of them, and you should use many problems. You have noticed that you should use this and this in many of the problems instead of this actually given in your textbook. So these two problems, these two equations will be used whenever it is required, and this will be used whenever it is required. So you need to remember all 3. And here, coming back to this, as I told you, you should be very confident with the given sign. You should not forget the sign. And also, you will confuse from this and this. Why? Because you can see here, sin inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse of x. Sin inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse. But here, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. People usually think that if they remember that sin and cos gives pi by 2, and they will write sin inverse of 1 by x will give cos inverse of x. You should not do that. Many of the times I also did that. You should not repeat that. Okay, that's the major thing I wanted to tell you. Okay, we have finished our lectures today. Okay, let me tell you, please share among your friends, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in taking competitive exams, please do watch our part 2, where we will be dealing with the same relations in detail. We will be giving 3a formulas and also. And thanks for watching. Thank you.